Welcome to Zotero, where you can keep all your research papers neatly organized. Before getting started, make sure you have the Zotero desktop application installed and open on your computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please leave a like to support the channel. Click the Add Item by Identifier icon on the toolbar to add a paper using its ID. An input pop-up will appear on your screen. Enter the Digital Object Identifier, or DOI link for the publication you want to save. Clean up any extra text inside the identifier field, so only the valid query remains. Submit the query to let Zotero automatically fetch the metadata, and add the item to your library. The new paper entry now appears in your list. Right-click on the newly added item to open the context menu. Select Find Full from the options. Zotero automatically searches for the open access PDF online and attaches it to the entry. A confirmation window shows that one file has been successfully added. Click Close to dismiss the confirmation window. Expand the item entry in your library list to see its attached files. Double-click the preprint PDF attachment. The document opens right inside Zotero's built-in Reader tab. You've successfully added a paper and its PDF to your library using an identifier. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to catch future tutorials.